In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full screen mode on Google Meet in 2025. Whether you're working from home, attending virtual classes, or catching up with friends and family, Google Meet is a fantastic tool for video conferencing. But to make the most out of your experience, sometimes you'll want to expand the video feed to fill your entire screen, allowing for a more immersive and distraction-free meeting. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. This is where all your video conferencing magic begins, so bookmark this page if you haven't already for easy access in the future. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the button that says New Meeting. It's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. By clicking on this button, you're initiating the process of starting a new conference. It's like opening the door to a virtual meeting room where you can invite others to join you. Now, one more click is needed to launch the meeting instantly. You'll see an option to start an instant meeting. Select this choice if you want to begin without delay and get straight into your video session. It's perfect for those spontaneous calls with colleagues or friends that don't require a scheduled start time. As the meeting interface opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the different settings available to you. However, our focus today is on expanding the screen. To do this, look for the More Options button. On most browsers and devices, it's represented by three vertical dots, often located at the bottom right corner of the video window. This button is essentially your gateway to additional features that enhance your meeting experience. Once you've clicked on More Options, a menu will appear, presenting you with various settings to tailor your meeting environment. Within this menu, locate the option that says Full Screen. Click on it to immediately maximize your video feed, making the current presentation or speaker view fill your entire screen. This setting is particularly useful when you're viewing presentations or in meetings with large groups, where staying focused on the main content is essential. And just like that, you're now enjoying your Google Meet session in full screen mode. If at any point you need to exit this mode, you can either press the ESC key on your keyboard or revisit the More Options menu to toggle back to the smaller screen view. I hope this guide has helped you enhance your video conferencing by showing you how to use full screen mode on Google Meet. Enjoy your meetings with fewer distractions and a clearer view, and feel free to share this tip with anyone who could benefit from it.